Good morning guys, welcome to Jainsons Adventure guys. Today we are gonna install a gazebo tent, and these are all the parts which are included. Like this is the frame, this is the fabric, and this is the outer packing of the gazebo tent. So here's a quick video about how to install the gazebo tent. So first thing is place the fabric on the top. So there are 4 intersections like stitching ka, and this every stitching will come on every of the pillars. So there are 4 pillars in this tent. This is a very easy to install tent, and any person can install it once he gets a proper idea कि कैसे करना है. So once this is set, then from all the 4 sides you have to lock the socket. So there are sockets in this. See, this is the socket, and you can easily lock this. So see, so you get a clicking sound. You can see this is the lock in which this socket will get attached. So as you can see, the fabric structure is ready. From every side just ensure that ये properly लग गया है. After this, just increase the height. You can, if there are 2 people, then increase the height first of 2 sides, and then you can again increase the height of the other 2 sides. So you can see this gazebo tent is installed like within 2 minutes properly एकदम अच्छे से. This is the frame. If you want, you can increase the height as well. एक height और बढ़ाना. See, just press it and pull it. So you can see this is properly installed. The size is 3 meter by 3 meter. And you can see the proper triangular shape of this tent. So now as we have installed this tent, we'll see how to uninstall this tent. So just press this lock which is there at all the 4 sides, and so this will reduce the height. So this gazebo is at ground level now, and next all you have to do is very simple. Just press the buttons over here. So once you have pressed this button, this will come down, and then easily you can just loosen the fabric and take the scissor tent inside. So now the gazebo tent has completely uninstalled, and you can remove the fabric. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have any doubts or queries regarding the gazebo tent, you can let us know in the comment section. Also, we are providing you with our contact details, so you can get in touch with us. So thank you so much guys. Have a good day.